So guys, for the first method, you want to head it with search and type in device manager. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to expand batteries. Now make sure that your battery has not been disabled. If it has been disabled, you're going to be seeing an arrow pointing downwards. So in my case, it's been disabled. So now I'm going to right click on it and then click on enable, which will now enable my battery. This should now fix your problem. Make sure that your battery has been enabled. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you want to head it with search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you want to type in msdt.exe space -id space power diagnostic. Click on enter. And now this will come up, the power troubleshooter. You want to click on next. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, if it detects anything, it should now fix it for you. This should now solve your problem. If not, then for the last method, you just want to simply restart your computer, and then hopefully this will now fix your problem. You could also try to unplug and then plug back in your battery again.